हम सबकी एज मालूम है?
Yes, मालूम है. I have a magic. I know all of your ages.
9 इयर्स है तो 9 to 50 ना बाद में लोगे क्या, छोटे बच्चे होने के बाद?
Yes, बच्चा, because छोटे बच्चों को इतना पेशेंस नहीं रहता है and I don't want them to be on waiting. Okay? So it's a kind request. You all are very good kids. You have to be very calm and patient and listen to my small kids, what my small kids are saying, and you have to encourage and motivate them by being a good audience. Okay? Unnecessarily कोई भी unmute मत होना बच्चा लोग. Yes. Who is whistling over here? आप इंग्लिश में या हिंदी में, आपको आपको जो लैंग्वेज सूटेबल लगता है, जो लैंग्वेज लगता है ये कंफर्टेबल, उसमें आप बोलोगे. ओके.
गुड आफ्टरनून मैम.
गुड आफ्टरनून बच्चा.
गुड आफ्टरनून मैम. गुड आफ्टरनून मैम.
यस.
मैम, टुडे इज
यस.
स्पीच डे.
यस.
टुडे इज स्पीच डे.
यस, टुडे इज स्पीच डे.
यस
यस.
मैम. after everyone's chance, after everyone's chance, can I show you a Mother's Day card which I made for my mother?
Yes, I would be loving to see that. Okay.
Okay,
So
I will show
wait
you in last 2
everyone.
minutes.
Yes. Okay, will do. Now I am coming on. Are you all able to see me? Only a thumbs up. I will be knowing. Only a thumbs up.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you all able to see me?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. All of you are my good
Teacher,
kids.
I can see 2 screens.
What? Are you have to open Ruchita Mohta screen. I am online from Ruchita Mohta screen.
But I can see 2 screens.
Two screen means I am only online from one screen. Okay, without wasting our time, do you all liked my hello song on day 1? Yes?
Yes.
Very good. So, do we do again with the steps? You should be unmuted. Okay? You should be on mute. You should be not unmuted. Okay? Yes? Come on, stand up everyone. Stand up. All of you should stand up. I want all my kids to stand. Yes. Very good. Very good. So we'll start our song. You all just have to do the exercise. The girl in the name of Sushma Gupta, please be muted. Poonam Jaju, please be muted. दूसरे बच्चों को बच्चा मेरा आवाज नहीं सुनाई देगा बराबर से. So kindly be on mute. Okay. Yes, I can see some of them are dancing. Aisha. Good. Yes. So, we'll start our song. It is hello everybody. Hello everybody. How are you today? How are you today? Just move your body. Just move your body. Learn and play. Learn and play. Hello everybody. Hello everybody. How are you today? How are you today? Just move your body. Just move your body. Learn and play. Learn and play.
Hello to your teacher. Hello to your teacher. How are you today? How are you today? I am gonna listen. I am gonna listen to what you say. To what you say. Shake your head. Yes, yes. Shake your head. No, no. Shake your head. Yes, yes. Shake your head. No, no. Stretch your arms. Up, up. Bring it down. Down, down. Stretch your arms. Up, up. Bring it down. Down, down. Just shake it, shake it, shake it. Just shake it, shake it, shake it all round. Very good. All of my lovely kids. Very good. Very nice. Now I will be only online from Ashita Mohta's screen as I need to see your names, call out your names. I will be first taking the smaller age group, that is age group 4 to 8, as the kids are too small and they are not having so much patience to sit in one place and waiting for the chance. Okay? And you are my big kids. You all are big. You all might be having smaller siblings. So, what you all should do? You all should be here, encourage your siblings, encourage your peers here over, and be a good audience. Okay? No one to be unmute unnecessarily. Okay? Very good. Very
Yes, I'll be online from Ashita Mohta's screen only. So first I'll be calling all my small kids over here. Tanishka Prabhu, are you here? Tanishka Prabhu, are you here? Okay, she is not here. Just a second. Advika Loya, are you here? Advika Loya.
Yes.
Advika Loya, are you here, bacha?
Yes.
Okay. So your topic for today is how Corona COVID-19 has changed your life. Now, since an year, or I can say more than a year, you are at your home, right? You can't move anywhere, right? So you have to express yourself and say that how COVID-19 has changed your life. And remember, all of you kids, this is for all of you. I'll take a minute. This is for all of you. Whenever you start speaking, you have to say what is your name, and you have to say that on what topic are you going to speak. Okay? Yes, very good. So, I need Advika Loya, I told, na? Yes, Advika Loya. Please say,
Hello, teacher. My name is Advika Rishikesh. Today, I am going to say something about coronavirus. Due to corona, when we can not go outside. We miss school and play areas, but due to corona, we spend lot of time with our
Very good, Advika. Very good. Very good, Advika.
Thank you.
Welcome, bacha. Welcome. Now, Ishan Ghag. Okay, he is not here. I know he is not here. Bhumi Sarda. Bhumi Sarda.
Yes.
Okay. Say me about your topic.
Bhumi Sarda, 5 years old, 2019, COVID-19. COVID-19 is very big disease. Many people are and die because of it. Thank you.
Very good. Very good, Bhumi. Kavya Dayani.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you here?
Yes, ma'am. बोलो जोर से.
Yes. Please say.
Good. My name is Kavya.
My name is Kavyani.
बोलो ना.
Ma'am, my name is Kavyani. Ma'am, आपको कुछ
Yes. You can start your topic.
बताती हूँ. मैम, कोरोना में हमको मास्क पहनना पड़ता है, सैनिटाइजर लगाना पड़ता है और हैंड वॉश करना पड़ता है बार-बार और बाहर भी नहीं निकल सकते और बच्चे स्कूल भी नहीं जा सकते, सैनिटाइज करना पड़ता है. बाहर जाते हैं तो हमको ग्लव्स पहनना पड़ता है. हमारी मेड्स भी नहीं आती है घर पे. सब काम मम्मी दादी को करना पड़ता है और मैं उनकी हेल्प कराती हूँ और मैं पार्क भी नहीं जा सकती प्ले करने. मुझे भी सारा दिन घर में बैठना पड़ता है. मैम, हमको वैक्सीन भी लगाना पड़ता है ना, हॉस्पिटल जाना पड़ता है और जिसके एक पेशेंट को कोरोना है तो अगर लोग उसके पास है तो हमको भी हो जाता है कोरोना. अभी मेरे पापा को भी है कोरोना. अभी पापा तो घर में क्वारंटाइन रूम में. मैम, pray my papa. Pray for my papa. Thank you, ma'am.
Very good. Very good. Yes. So we all will pray. Definitely, we all will pray for your dad. He will get well soon and he will again play with you. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Yes. Welcome, bacha. Very good. Very nicely said. Parv Maheshwari, are you there?
Yes.
Yes. Will you please say me about your topic?
Yes. How Corona changed our life? My name is Parmeshwari. कोरोना से पहले हम मिलते थे, फिर गार्डन जाते थे, खेलते थे, मस्ती करते थे, फिर स्कूल जाते थे। पर कोरोना वापस आ गया तो हमको घर रहना पड़ता था। पर इससे अच्छा क्या था, दादा दादी के घर पे रहना अच्छा था। हम बहुत इंजॉय कर रहे थे। थैंक यू।
Very good, Parv.
तो
Very nicely
गुड
told.
आफ्टरनून मैम।
Good afternoon. Pehel Dhruv. Pehel Dhruv, are you here? Pehel Dhruv. Okay, she is not here. Kabir Chaudhary, are you here? Please don't be unmute. Dhruvi, please mute yourself. Kabir Chaudhary, are you here? Myra Chaudhary? Okay, Danishka Binani? Danishka Binani, are you here? My small kids are missing today. Ananya Malhotra? Ananya Malhotra?
Yes ma'am।
Yes. Will you say me about your topic? Oh,
Okay,
I'm
ma'am.
so sorry. I'm sorry. Anaya Malhotra. I'm so sorry.
Hello everyone, my name is Anaya. I'm 6 years old. My today's topic is how coronavirus changed my life. First, I am going to tell you about what I have learned in coronavirus. I have learned baking with my mother and my grandma. I have learned to take care of animals like cows, dogs, and now I have a class. That class I have to do on 8 o'clock, and that class is Kathak. I like Kathak. Then what I have done with my brother. With my brother, I have played many things and I have learned new games. So with my brother, I have done so many games. Now I am going to tell. We are not going outside and we are not going downstairs, and I'm not going outside to play or meet my friends. I am so bored, but I have my brother. I am having fun with my brother, and my mother tells me how to play new games. I have learned many games with my mother. Thank you.
Very good. Very good. Very nice.
Thank you, ma'am.
Neve Somani? Neve Somani, are you here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Bacha. Please say me about your topic.
Yes, ma'am. I am Nisomani. Today I'm going to tell you how COVID-19 affected our life. In our rarest dreams, couldn't have thought a small virus will change our lives so much. Over the past few months, COVID-19 has changed our life completely. Since 2020, we are not going to schools. We have spent one full year not going to schools, malls, gardens, and holidays. It was not easy to tame our mind to stay indoors all day, all night. We crave open spaces to run. We suddenly lost contact with our friends, school, and teachers. We miss offline schooling. But COVID-19 has taught us how to spend time with our family and enjoy at home. COVID-19 has also taught us of sanitization and hand washing. This deadly virus has not yet left us. We must stay home and stay safe and pray for God for the whole world. Thank you.
Very good, bacha. Very good, Neve. Kaira Badale.
Yes.
Kaira Badale.
Yes.
Yes, say me about your topic.
Hi everybody. My name is Kyra and I'm going to talk about one topic which is COVID-19. I have learned many things during COVID-19 at home. I have learned cooking, how to play chess, and do many other things. Since it is COVID-19, we have to keep ourselves safe, and we have to also follow many things. We have to wash our hands and do sanitize everywhere. Thank you. And we have to also wear masks. Thank you.
Very good, Kaira. Very good, Kaira. Mihika Chaudhary.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please say me about your topic.
Hello, teacher. My name is Mikari. In Corona, I cannot go to outside play. I miss my school, my senior KG class teacher, and I also miss to my play with my friends. Thank you.
Very good, very good. Now, just a second. Huh? Yeah. Harshika Gera. Are you there, Harshika? Okay, I suppose she is not there.
Ma'am, she is there, but can you give her a chance after 2-3
Yes,
before?
Harshika. Huh? What happened?
She is not prepared. Can you give her a chance after 2-3 children?
Okay. One more thing I would like to say you all first, parents, those who are besides kids, let your kids speak up any damn thing, whatever is there in their mind, because I want to hear them. I am here to hear them. So I want all the kids should speak up. Whatever you have in your mind, you have prepared or not prepared, you want to see and say, you want to say in English, in Hindi, whatever is your comfortable language. I want you all that you all should speak up. See, since an year we are not able to meet our friends. So this is the new way of interacting now. So I want you all that you all should definitely enjoy in these interactive sessions. Okay, kids? Yes. Very good. Okay, Harshika, take your time. I'll be coming to you in some time. Okay. Jivika Prabhu. Jivika Prabhu. Jivika Prabhu, are you there?
मैम मैं आपको कुछ बोलना चाहती हूँ।
Your name?
काव्या दयानी।
Yes, Kavya. Say.
मैम मैम आपको कुछ बताना भूल गई थी।
Yes.
मैम सुनो, तो हम लोग बाहर जाते और पार्टी में जाते तो हमको पुलिस खड़ी रहती है ना, रास्ते पे पकड़ लेती है।
Yes.
और डॉक्टर नर्सेस को थैंक यू भी करते हैं।
Okay.
पुलिस मैन को भी थैंक यू करते हैं।
Okay.
थैंक यू मैम।
Yes. Thank you. Prisha Makhija. Are you there, Prisha Makhija? Yes. Please say me about your topic. Please say me about.
My topic is COVID-19. In COVID-19, we have gone through a new phase, which is lockdown, in which we were not able to go out. Everything was shut down, like trains, malls, hotels, theaters, gyms, and clubhouses. Positive things that had happened are more family time. We can spend more time with family, enjoy playing indoor games with all family members, can help parents with household work. Negative things that had happened are our school has become online. We have to always wear a mask and use sanitizer. We are not able to meet our friends and relatives. We can't attend functions. No time for outdoor playing. Thank you.
Very good. Very good. Ria Rathi.
Yes. Good afternoon, dear teacher and my friends. So today I'm gonna speak on the topic how COVID-19 has changed our life. COVID-19 has interrupted in our lives from 2020. So,
Ria, can you please switch on your camera?
ma'am, actually my camera is not working.
Okay. Okay, start. Continue.
Yes. So, one second, I just forgot a bit. The COVID-19 pandemic has forced many people to lower their expectations from living out their dreams to simply surviving. As like a sudden specter, the coronavirus barked into our lives, disrupting our daily activities. But we are overcoming the fear, the, or at last getting used to it. At the end of 2020, let's see how the pandemic has changed our life. Life now revolves. One second, huh? Actually, I had to do something from my school, so I couldn't get prepared.
It's okay. It's okay. Whatever you have in your mind, you can speak out.
Okay, so nowadays, doing things have changed. Before meeting people, we used to meet people and have fun with them. But now we meet people online, or we wear masks and go out. COVID 19 has teaches us how to that take taking care of ourselves is most important. Thank you.
Very good. Very good. Tanishi Garg. Tanishi Garg.
Ma'am, can I say something?
Yes, bacha. Who are you?
Avya Gulati.
Yes. What happened?
Ma'am, I was saying that someone was unmuted, I think, because your voice was echoing.
Okay.
Now,
Okay.
now it's not.
I will see to it. Okay. Okay. Please be on mute. Tanishi Garg, are you there? Tanishi Garg? Aradhya Amit Agarwal? Aradhya? Aradhya Agarwal? Aradhya Agarwal, are you there?
Ma'am, can I speak Harshika Gera?
Wait, wait. Avyukt Gulati?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please say.
Ma'am, I raised my hand because it's for the turn.
हाँ तो I have asked you for your turn only, bacha.
Oh, okay. Then can I present my screen now? Ma'am, are you there?
Ma'am, you are frozen.
Yes, ma'am.
Your screen. Now you can present your screen.
Okay, ma'am. Share screen. Start first. Yeah. Ma'am, can you see my screen? My camera is get off. My camera is off because when I share my screen, my camera get off.
Okay, 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 no problem. I know that whenever we share our screen, our camera isn't
Hello,
working.
guys.
Who is sharing screen? Poonam Jaju, why you are sharing your screen? Poonam Jaju? Yes, Avyukt, please continue.
करिए कोई और बच्चे ने. Ma'am, I need to share again. She stopped my
Yes,
presentation. Yeah. Can you see my screen
yes, I can.
Yes.
now? Namaskar, everyone. My name is Avik and I'm 7 years old. And today I'm going to present a speech called Coronavirus Speech. So no time to wait. Let's hurry up. points of coronavirus. We cannot go out of our home. We can't meet our friends. We can't eat outside food. So what do you think? What will we do? We can't run around fast in our home. We need to use laptop that we try to get away from. They make our head pain. Bye guys. Thank you for your time for giving the presentation. Bye.
Very good, very good. This Avyuk, have you made on your own on PPT?
Yeah.
Very good.
Bye.
See, my all kids
No one's
have become so much brilliant at the age of 7. You are knowing the meaning of PPT. It is PowerPoint, right? Very good, very
yeah.
good. Very nice. Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
just a second.
And
Just a second.
no one saw it when I was making.
Okay, okay. Harshika Gera.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please say, bacha.
Hello everyone, my name is Rishika. Today I'm going to tell how Corona has changed our life. I can't meet my friends and now we have to stay at home. We have to wear masks and keep washing hands frequently. But in last 1 year, I have learned many good things. Also like helping mother at home, dancing, drawing, etc. I am attending school online now. Thank you.
Very good, very good, very good. Arna Oberoi. Arna Oberoi, are you here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you are here. Yes. Say, bacha.
Hello, everyone. My name is Arna Oxford. I am 7 years old. I am here to talk about the virus. The government of India declared complete lockdown, stayed at home. It suggests that everyone should wear a mask, wash hands regularly, and keep a distance of 2 yards. Thank you.
Very good, very good. Okay. Is Sanvi Bagwe here?
Yes. Sanvi is
Sanvi
here.
Bagwe, are you here?
Yeah, she is here, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, yeah. Please say.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Anvi. I am going to say about coronavirus. Coronavirus is danger. Get vaccinated. Maintain social distancing. Wash your hands regularly. Wear mask. Stay home. Stay safe. Thank you. Thank you.
Very good, very good. See, all of you should clap. She is the smallest of all. Very good, very good,
Thank you so much.
very good. Very nicely said, Sanvi. Keep it up, bacha.
Thank you, Bolu. Thank you.
Thank you.
Welcome. Okay, Jivika, are you here now? Jivika? Okay. Yash Patel? Yash Patel, are you here? Aisha Sarda? Aisha Sarda? Please unmute बच्चा. Aisha? Anaya Sarda? Aisha Sarda?
Yes.
Yes. Are you there?
Ma'am, are you there?
Yes, I am here. Avyukt, please be muted. Aisha Sarda? Okay. Hmm. Riddhi Arora? Riddhi Arora?
Ma'am, actually, I had done on that technical word.
Okay.
So can I speak?
Okay.
Hello everyone, I am Riddhi Arora and today I am going to talk about the technical world. It has been long, sad and painful time since the pandemic started. As the virus spread around the world impacted both our personal and professional lives. During this time of uncertainty and con- con- constant fear or willingness to adopt technology has been our lifeline. This technical world has taught us many things like distance learning, online entertainment, health fitness, online shopping, etc. At last, I would like to say that COVID-19 has proved that technology innovations have been helping in managing the pandemic in a timely systematic and calm manner. Thank you.
Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, very good, Riddhi. Okay. Now, Prabhat Sarda.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please say me about your topic.
I'm 8 years old. I am going to talk how COVID-19 changed people's lives. COVID-19, which has changed people's lives and happiness into rooms. It was not too much in the first wave, but now it is a huge problem. There are much needs of vaccines and oxygen. According to the first wave of coronavirus, second wave of coronavirus has nearly doubled the cases in India. There are lakhs who died because of this virus. Many people have lost their works because of coronavirus. Many of them are scared, but they need to go out for food and money. It who help us also get affected by this infection while helping us. Symptom of this virus is sneezing, cough, fever, etc. Doctors, policemen, sweepers, nurses help us get and that time they get the infection while helping us. Thank you.
Very good. Very good. Ansh, you may. Ansh. Ansh, are you there? Ansh, are you there? Radhika Kataria?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Can you say, bacha?
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Radhika Kataria. I am 8 years old. Today, I am going to speak a few words about new technical world after an year of pandemic. Rather, I would like to call it as an innovative world because here we have adopted a new way of lifestyle which is totally different. The COVID-19 pandemic has led to a tremendous use of digital technologies due to social distancing norms and worldwide lockdowns. The lockdown across the countries have emerged with new working patterns, meetings going completely online, office work shifted to the home. Education is another domain in which there is a drastic shift to the online mode of teaching, which we have never dreamed of. Whether it is a dance class, drawing class, karate class, or a regular school class, everything is going online. Many apps were launched during this pandemic. Thanks to the government for launching Arogya Setu app, which records the details of all the people with which we have come in contact and make us alert if anybody near us is COVID positive. With the help of new technology, we were able to detect novel coronavirus and were fortunate enough to discover its vaccine too. As we all know, all of us have to stay home and can't go out due to this pandemic. But thanks to the technology that we are able to attend our summer camps virtually. I am quite happy that my country is progressing by discovering new technologies. But still, I want my golden days back again. I want to end my speech by saying a few words. Modern technology is great for knowledge. More we can learn in greatest college. Anything you need to know is on internet. And everything is accurate. It is a sure bet. Thank you and have a nice day.
Very good. Very good. Very good, dear. Yes, Aisha Sarda, are you there? Very good, bacha.
Yes, ma'am, I am there.
Yes. What happened? I called your name 2 times, Aisha, Anaya, both.
Ma'am, there was
Okay.
a problem.
Okay. So, are you ready with your speech? Can you say me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please say. First you say, then let Anaya say. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
मेरी बारी कब आएगी?
आपका एज ग्रुप नहीं चालू हुआ है जय, प्लीज वेट. Yes, Aisha, please say.
I am Isha Sarda. I am 8 years old and I am going to speak about COVID-19, how the COVID-19 changed my life. I can't go outside. I can't go to school. But I am still learning new things by online learning. Thank you.
Very good, very good. Anaya? Anaya Sarda?
Yes. Hello, I am Anas and I am going to today talk about How?
Please adjust your camera properly. We can't see you. Are you there, Anaya? Yes, very good.
Hello, I'm Anasadan. Today I'm going to talk about how COVID-19 changed my life. I was not allowed to go out to play with my friends and to meet my friends outside our society. Not even in the play area. So I want to COVID go away and I can be with my friends and play with them. And I want to go to normal school, not online. And we can do that without wearing mask. We can go to school without wearing mask.
Very good, Anaya. Lavi Shetty.
Actually, ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
एक मिनट yes, Anaya.
my iPad's battery is only 5%.
Okay. Okay, no problem. Yes, Anaya. I'm sorry. Yes, Lavi. Lavi?
Yes, ma'am. Hello everyone, my name is Lavi Shetty and today I'm going to speak about the topic the new technical world after a year of pandemic. In the pandemic of corona, technologies are very popular all over the world. For example, smartphones, laptops, tabs, etc. These technologies are used for many things such as online shopping, online classes, online appointments with doctor and online money transactions. Nowadays, everything is online, and we can also watch movies online, play games online, and give exams online. Technology plays an important role in our life as well as it is very useful and it has made our lives easier. Also, we can get everything on our doorstep. Thank you.
Very good. Very good. Dhruvi Mohta. Dhruvi Mohta. Dhruvi Mohta, are you here?
Ma'am?
Yes. Dhruvi Mohta, please say about your topic. ध्रुवी बच्चा बोलो.
I'm not prepared.
नो मैटर इफ यू हैवेंट प्रिपेयर्ड. जो भी आपके मन में है, गए 1 साल से हम लोग कोरोना वायरस से लड़ते हुए आए हैं. वी हैव चेंज्ड आवर टेक्नोलॉजी नाउ. हम लोग जो सामने बैठ के करते थे, आज हम वो ऑनलाइन कर रहे हैं. Just say anything, whatever is coming in your mind, you can say. It is not compulsion to prepare, bacha. You can say on the spot also. Say me whatever is coming to your mind. Switch on your
Nowadays,
camera,
school
bacha.
is online and we are. Nowadays, school are online and my school competition vanishes in videos and Google Meet app and nowadays we watch so much movie, and so we have to play with each other in this way, because we can't go outside.
Yes. Are you done, Dhruvi?
Yes.
Yeah. Very good. Jai Mantri. Jai Mantri.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Please say me about your topic.
Hello,
Switch on your
everyone.
camera. Switch on your camera. Yes. What happened, Jai? Where are you?
Hello. Yes, ma'am. I am telling.
But your camera is
Hello,
off.
everyone. No, ma'am.
Yes. Now it is on.
एक मिनट. Freedom, which children are not
Jai, you are not audible. Hello?
this corona as so
Jai,
many
you are not audible. Please say
Yes,
again.
what?
Please say again. You are not audible. कुछ भी नहीं सुनाई दिया. अभी सुनाई दे रहा है. अभी बोलो. अभी बोलो.
एक मिनट मैम.
Hello, Jai. Are you there? Jai, are you there? Jai?
Yes, ma'am. I am audible now.
Yes, you are clearly audible
Hello,
now.
ma'am.
Now you can say.
Hello,
Yes,
ma'am.
yes, you are audible now.
Okay, ma'am.
Hello. Are you able to hear
Yes,
me?
ma'am.
You are audible now. Please say. Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Hello, everyone. My name is Jay Mantri. I am 9 years old. I will tell about COVID-19. Corona changed our life so much. It take our freedom. We children are not able to go over school from last year. I spend a lot of time with family. It's good, but now we want to end this corona as so many people vaccine many problems, like no job, no sale, no earning health. Corona changed our life and gave message that we all need to help each other. We have to live simple life and support each other. It changed our midst. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. मैम आपका वॉइस ऑडिबल नहीं है.
Yes, Jai. Jai, very good, very good, very good, Jai.
थैंक यू मैम.
सुनाई दे रहा है मेरा आवाज अभी?
यस मैम. आपका आवाज मुझे पूरा
Yes.
सुनाई दे.
Very good. Spandan Sabu.
यस. कैन आई
Yes,
स्पीक?
please say about your topic. Yes, you can speak.
Good afternoon, ma'am, and my dear friends. My name is Pandan Sabu, and I am 9 years old. My topic is the new technical world after an year of pandemic. In the world that we currently live in, technology is a very vital factor. With each passing day, a new software or gadget is being brought into the market. Technology will not be able to avoid the onset of a pandemic. Nevertheless, it can assist in managing a crisis more effectively. We all know how badly COVID 19 has impacted our lives, both personal and professional. During this time of sheer uncertainty and constant fear, our willingness to adopt technology has been our lifeline. Here are some examples which says that how technology had played a vital role in our life. First, distance learning or online learning. Most of the educational institutions have started to offer their courses online to make sure education is not disrupted due to the pandemic. Online second, online entertainment. As we know that cinema theaters are closed, so several films production companies also be releasing their movies on another platform such as Amazon Prime Video, Hotstar, Netflix, and many more. Online third, online grocery and vegetables. Families, particularly with children and older people, prefer to place their grocery or order online. Work from home. Fourth, work from home. Work from home. The work from home option has ensured business continuity for various companies and businesses. Virtual meeting and conferencing help many people maintain and follow social distancing. There are many more examples in which technology is growing its importance in every sector. COVID 19 has proved that innovations have been helping in managing the epidemic in a timely, systematic, and calm manner. Thank you.
Very nicely explained, Spandan. Very nicely explained. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Kuhu Jaswal. Who is in the name of Poonam Jaju? Netal, right? Please be on mute.
Okay.
Kuhu Jaswal, are you here? Kuhu Jaswal, are you here? Arushi Patel, are you here? Arushi Patel? Tanisha Balwankar, are you here? Riddhi Satam?
Ma'am, can I speak हमारा बात में?
Wait, bacha, wait. Riddhi Satam?
Ma'am, I can speak Netal.
Wait, Netal, wait. Riddhi Satam, are you here? Adya Sawant, are you here?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you say me your age, please? I have not written your age.
My age is 8 years.
8 years. Okay. Okay, can you please say about the topic?
हमारा topic is coronavirus. Coronavirus is alive. When we need to wear masks and we need to do online classes. We need to do one and something like one for we need to wear mask and we need to sanitize our hands regularly. And when we come from out, to we need to spray our skin and we need to wash our hands regularly and we need to follow rules. Then
Very good, very good. Netal, right? Yes, Netal.
yes, miss.
Yes, Netal, please say switch on your camera, bacha.
मैम मेरा कैमरा ऑन ही है.
Okay, okay.
My name is Netal Tapriya. कोरोना वायरस की वजह से हम बच्चों की स्कूल्स बंद हो चुके हैं, ऑफिसेस बंद हो चुके हैं. हमारी कोरोना वायरस ने हमारी हैप्पी वाली अर्थ को सैड अर्थ बना दिया है. जब भी आप बाहर जाओ मास्क एंड सैनिटाइजर रखो अपने साथ. एंड मैं यही कहती हूँ आपसे, स्टे होम स्टे सेफ. थैंक यू.
Okay, very good. Actually, Netal, for the big kids, the topic was the new technical India, the new technical world after an year of pandemic. So it's okay if you haven't prepared. You have to prepare. I will ask for the kids who haven't prepared for their topics. Okay, later also. Okay. Okay, Amaira Wadhwa. Just a second, huh? Just a second.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you can start.
Thank you, ma'am. Good afternoon. I'm Amira and I'm 11 years old. Today I'm going to narrate a speech before you on the topic the new technical world after a year of pandemic. When we look at the first weeks and the past 10 months of the coronavirus pandemic, a lot has happened in technology, and technology adoption is an incredibly compressed time and at a fast pace. It has been a long, sad, and painful time since the pandemic started, but with advanced technologies, we are able to endure many of the ills brought about by this pandemic, and technology seems to be the way out of it. There is light at the end of this long coronavirus tunnel, and vaccines are on the way to get us out of this pandemic. One of the great questions what is constantly being asked is what the new normal will look like after the pandemic. From virtual work from home to telehealth, distance learning, online shopping, entertainment, journalism, and virtual physical activities such as yoga and fitness training, many activities manage to switch to online delivery. Work from home for knowledge workers seems to have been rather successful with some productivity gains. We are already seeing video chat software such as Zoom, Teams, and Slack playing a critical role in connecting employees to their jobs and connecting families and friends. Many of these technologies have been around for some time, but they
but they started to play a far more prominent role and will continue even after COVID 19. Two major technology trends will accelerate in the post COVID 19 world: touchless technology and highly automated robots that augment human tasks. It is likely that we will see, see additionally robotic automation and AI in supply chains, customer service, and beyond. Thank you.
Very good, very good, very nicely explained. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Asta Rathi? Asta Rathi, are you here? आस्था?
मैम शायद मैम माइक खराब हो गया था फोन का इसलिए.
ओके, अभी सुनाई दे रहा है बच्चा?
यस मैम.
यस.
मैम मैं बोलूं स्पीच?
Yes, Asta Rathi, you can continue your speech.
यस मैम. मैम मैं वीडियो भी ऑन नहीं हो रहा है. Good afternoon to all. I have like to tell few lines about new technology world, new technical world after an year of pandemic. Nowadays, as we all know that all world, even our country India, faces to a pandemic disease named COVID-19, which was caused due to coronavirus. Due to staying at home for a long time, all our work is done on internet and mobile from the technology. If the pandemic will long lasting for the year and year more, it will be dangerous and harmful for people live in the world. It is true that this pandemic will be directly affect and highly analog at our daily work. This pandemic ascend the period of technology. Also, school will be going online, work from home of offices were very common, working were online, marketing were online and easy for all age group, and it all only because of technological world. It is possible to imagine the impact of technology in our new normal lives and general trends that are already mixed by looking at previous pandemics and think what is already happening now. Thank you for hearing my speech, and I will pray to God for over this pandemic year easily and fastly. Thank you.
Very good, very good. Very nicely explained. Arohi Vaikul? Are you here, Arohi? Arohi Vaikul, are you here? Fiona Verma, are you here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, can you please speak?
Yes, ma'am, but my video will remain off because I'm from my mobile, and if I switch to another tab, the video goes off. Is it okay?
Okay, okay, okay.
My topic is the new technical world after a year of pandemic. Vladimir Lenin is often quoted as saying, there are decades where nothing happens, and there are weeks where decade happens. This phrase is probably inaccurate when it comes to what happened in technology, economy, and politics in the last decade alone. Yet the gist of the quote is quite powerful when we look at the first week and the past 10 months of this coronavirus pandemic. One of the great questions that is constantly being asked is what will the new normal look like after the pandemic? Clearly, the pandemic accelerated the dominance of technology in our lives and made us more digital creatures with all the advantages and drawbacks. A bunch of experts think sweeping societal change will make life worse for most people as greater inequality and rampant misinformation take hold in the wake of COVID-19 outbreak. Still, a portion believe life will be better in a tele everything world where workplaces, healthcare, and social activity improves. Two major technology trends will accelerate in the post COVID 19 world: touchless technologies and highly automated robots that augment human tasks. It is likely that we will see additional robotic automation and AI in the supply chains, customer service, and beyond. Thank you.
Very good, very good. Ananya Gulati?
Yes, ma'am.
Ananya Gulati. Yeah, can you say please?
Yes, ma'am.
You also want to share the screen, kya?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay,
I'm just
okay.
saying, ma'am. Ma'am, give me a second. Yes, ma'am. I'm ready. Have you ever wondered deeply about online education and internet? Well, if yes,
Just a second. Ananya, is your video off?
yes, ma'am.
Please switch it on and say, no?
Have you ever wondered about technology, online learning, and how it has changed our lives? Well, if yes, then listen on and listen very carefully because this speech is meant for you. So let's begin. There are these days we are using a lot of uh, online devices, so like phone, laptop, and it is also affecting our eyes. But there are many advantages of online learning as well, such as efficiency between teachers as they can educate their kids with lot more than textbooks like quizzes, Nearpod, and a lot more on social media. Secondly, as it increases accessibility of time and place. Well, another advantage of online education is that it allows all students to attend classes from anywhere in the world. Thirdly, affordability. Parents don't need to buy pouches, stationery, pencil boxes, bottles for kids, and that's why online classes are affordable. Online classes improve student attendance as well because they can be taken from a comfort of a home. Thus, there are fewer chances of students missing out on lessons. Last but not the least, online classes suits a variety of learning styles. For example, some students are visual learners, while some students are listeners. And similarly, some students want to group up with their friends, while others want to work solo and get distracted by large groups. The online learning system, with its range of options and resources, can be personalized in many ways. It is the best way to create a perfect learning environment suited to the need of each student. Well, these are 5 advantages of online learning. There are multiple disadvantages as well. And now I'm going to tell them to you. Number one, inability to focus on screens. Many students struggle to focus on screens for a long time. Secondly, some students have network and technology issues. This is another key challenge of online classes. While internet penetration has grown up in leaps and bounds over the past few years, in smaller cities and towns, a constant connection with decent speed is a problem. Without a consistent internet connection for students or teachers, there can be a lack of continuity in learning for the child. This is detrimental to the education process. Third, it's students feel isolated and can't meet their friends between online classes. Uh, This problem can be solved by online messages between the student, emails, and video conferencing. That this will allow for face-to-face interaction and reduce the sense of isolation. My fourth point is teacher training. Some teachers, very often teachers know only basic understanding of technology. Thus, this will take time to teach teachers how to use how to cooperate with the latest technology. 5. It increases screen time. This is my main point, that students' eyes get weak. Thus, 61% of the Indian population is now affected, now has specs on. These are my points for. These are my advantages and disadvantages for online education. Thank you for listening to me.
Very good, very good, very nicely explained by you all kids. So, I took this session just because of interaction. I want you all to speak up your mind so that I also can understand that how are you feeling during this pandemic. See, we all have changed our lives from our normal routine. Now this new normal routine, we all have to wear masks, we have to be more hygienic towards the society also. Whenever we are stepping out, we are in the masks, in the gloves. We don't have to speak to each other very often closely. We used to go to the parks. We are not going to the parks. All places are shut. All worship places are also again shut. First wave was mild. Now the second wave is actually deadly and fatal, and for you all kids also, because many small kids are being affected, getting affected by this new coronavirus. So kids, you all have to be safe, be at home. Unnecessarily you don't have to go out, and you don't have to say to your parents also, you don't have to उनसे जिद भी नहीं करना है कि मुझे बाहर जाना है and all. You don't have to, be you make yourself so much independent at home कि आपके मम्मी पापा आपको देख के खुश हो जाए, अरे वाह ये फेस में मेरा बच्चा कितना इंडिपेंडेंट हो गया है. Try helping your mom, try helping your dad, try helping your grandparents in each or other way. A small task also from you people is being gained as help only. So it is very good. I liked you all speaking about your topics. I chose two different topics for two age groups. It was really a nice experience speaking to you all and listening to you all. Okay, I hope you all also enjoyed. You all also were listening to what your other friends were saying. Okay, so we will meet tomorrow for our other session. We'll take a leave for today. Okay, kids. Bye, everyone. Bye. Bye, everyone.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.